Hello everybody, wanted to do a short video here on how to upgrade your memory in your laptop or notebook. This one's a Compaq. They're all pretty much the same as it when it comes to updating your memory. But right now it has 2 gigabytes in it. If you're not sure how much you have in your computer, you can go into the start, go to My Computer, go to System Properties, and it'll show it in that area on how much memory you have and everything and what's in your computer. But I got 2 gigabytes in it already. There's 2 slots. I want to upgrade it to 4 gigabytes, so I'm adding another stick of memory to it. Usually when I do them, I try to have the same kind of memory. That way you don't have a conflict in between it. But first of all, you want to make sure you got your computer unplugged from the power supply. Have it turned off. Take your battery out of it. And you usually have 2 covers on the back of them. It'll vary from computer to computer. This one has 3 screws in the cover where it is. The hard drive's under this cover, so we don't need a nut. I already got the screws loosened on it. But you just be careful and pull your cover up off of it. And you got slots down in here. As you can see, there's 1 stick of memory here already. So you'll want to take your other stick of memory and make sure you got it lined up the same way. And on these, let's see, they kind of go in an angle like this, and they'll slide back in, push them back in. Don't push real hard. And you just push down like that and your memory's in it. If you want to take it out, there's little tabs over on the side. You just push it, push the other one, and it pops back up. And you pull it back out. A lot of people take these to computer shops and they'll charge an arm and a leg to do something a regular person can do with no problem. But after you do that, make sure it's down good. Stick your cover back on. Tighten your 2 or 3 screws up, however many yours has in it. Make sure the cover's down all the way around it. Stick your battery back in, and that's all there is to it. So, like my videos, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and have a great week, everybody. Bye.